Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to connect it without internet on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration and click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can connect it without internet on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.